Hello everyone, this is Private Charlie here. I am already on X with the username P underscore Charlie underscore 88. You can find me on Twitter with this username. I am a crypto trader. I'm only a spot trader. I do not trade futures. Today I'll be sharing market update with you. Before diving into the markets, this is the update that I shared on 14th of January. I said invalidation scenario of sweeping 88.7k lows. If we get a daily close above the marked zone, then the correction might be over. Otherwise, get ready for 88.7k lows. Today's closing as well as ETF inflows will be very important. Of course, ETF inflows are very golden kind of a data. It is a key metric to look at. I was expecting this kind of a move, and this is what I explained here as well. I was expecting this kind of a move. This is the this is the supply zone, or what you would call a resistance zone, you name it. There are many names for this. Anyways, this is this resistance zone. This was the supply zone from which BTC was facing resistance at 95.3k, and I was expecting something like that. Yeah, there you go, it's better now. I was expecting something like this, something like maybe up to 97k, then a retest, and continuation to 100k and above. And what happened here? Oh yes, it printed the same way as we predicted. There you go. Yeah, actually I added this daily level after this post, and I think that this daily will have its significance in the market. Let me check if I have. Yeah, there you go. I think this is yeah, this kind of move that I was expecting. Now what's next? I told everyone super strong daily close. This daily close, the 14th of January close, I told everyone very strong daily close, and I'm targeting 99.6k. It might be heading towards it after a bit cool off. There you go. A little bit of cool off, and we are here again. My target was 99.6k, and you can see the high 99.45. Now, what am I expecting now? I think that the downtrend is over, and today's closing will be very important metric to look at. So what can happen here is we just break above this daily level, retest it, and just do this market structure break kind of a thing, and continue to rise. One scenario is this, and there is another scenario which is more likely to happen. I think if we even go above it, maybe even we touch 100k or something, somewhere like this, and there will be a cool off then. Maybe till here, maybe like 98, 97. Even if it goes till here, I'm prepared for it. I will not be saying, oh my god, we are turning bearish now, we are again aiming for these lows, these lows. No, I'm not that kind of a person. I will not be saying that kind of bullshit. Alright, so mm, yeah. So even if we go down till here, it is the time to buy. It is the time to buy, and after it, there will be a good rally. And I don't think if this kind of thing happens, then I don't think it will even give you time to take entry on this daily level. I don't just think. And we will just straight head towards this market structure break. All right. So this is the kind of scenario that I am expecting right now. Fine. So I told these kind of things on Twitter. What else? ETH update. Sorry, folks. There you go. ETH update. Let's see what happens. Updated on 13th of January. I was expecting something like this. Yeah, in this zone, something like this, maybe sub 3000s. I was expecting something like this. And what happened? Let's see Ethereum. Now slap your face so hard. Slap your face so hard, like if you have slapped other men around, if you sold here. I mean, seriously, you cannot survive in this market if you sold on this candle or you sold in these kind of candles. It was nothing but just a liquidity week. If you sold, if you was the exit liquidity, or I should say, if you was the entry liquidity for whales, you should slap your face very hard. We're going up. What's next for Ethereum? I think maybe a bit of cool off here and then rally, or straight rally to the daily level, retest 3500 next target. i'm I'm expecting 3500 in coming weeks slash days. This is it for Ethereum. I will keep this market update short. I will keep this market update short. Next, Ethereum is done. What's next? TIA trade. I shared this trade on 14th of January. TIA looking good here, targeting untapped highs. There you go, TIA USDT 2-hour time frame. This kind of trade. Let's see where is TIA. All right. There you go, folks. Picture perfect. Smile. The camera is in front of you. Picture perfect, folks. Yeah, I mean, you name it. What will you say it? Picture perfect. What after TIA? Near. Let's see near. I shared near on 14th of January as well. Super risky trade. Yeah, I mean, it was risky because BTC at that time was trading way below. It was trading, I think, at 94k or something. So that was the reason it was risky. Otherwise, near was super bullish. So, near trade. There you go, folks. Yeah, the SL is not here because it is on break even now. There you go. Almost target hit. It will hit its target in, I think it will hit its target today. All right. Done with TIA. Done with near. QNT. Any dip is a buy here with invalidation below 104. Clearly said today. Literally, I said any dip is a buy. These were the words. And I was expecting this kind of move. I don't know why is it opening. But anyways, I was expecting this kind of a move. A retest to this marked demand zone, and then a run to around $132 in coming days. It was not an intraday trade, but yeah, I mean in coming days. Let's see QNT. I shared it today. There you go. It was here when I called it, and there you go. What will you call it? Picture perfect, folks. If you guys didn't took entry here, there is no reason to cry now. For more alpha, you can follow me on Twitter. I will be sharing these kind of alpha. I've also shared Sui Trade. I mean, I shared dozens of trade on 14th, 13th, and 15th of January because market was bullish. I was able to see these kind of things, and that was the reason I shared these kind of calls. The last one, Sui, I can still find 3 or 4 more trades, but I think that will be it. Sui is also in profit. Maybe take partials here, put stops on break even, let it run. If it closes 2 or above it, I think this is the next, this is next, and ultimately new all-time highs for Sui. Yeah. So this is the market update for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some alts update. If you want more kind of a market update, more these kind of updates, you can follow me on Twitter. You can find me on X with the username P underscore Charlie underscore 88. With this man, with this man on my profile picture. If you want more market updates, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this video, if you got any kind of information, absolutely don't forget to hit that like button, click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. It will boost my confidence, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.